In its efforts towards rejigging the operational model of the Highway Development and Management Initiative HDMI, the Honorable Minister of Works, His Excellency Senator Engineer Wednesday David Umahi CON, has introduced parameters that will strengthen the quality, delivery, and management of road infrastructure under the public-private partnership model of road infrastructure development known as Highway Development and Management Initiative HDMI, and ensure efficient utilization of the completed projects by road users. The Honorable Minister gave this indication during a meeting with the Public-Private Partnership Unit of the Federal Ministry of Works and Messrs. Africa Plus Partners Nigeria Limited, APPNL, concessionaires for the Benin, Asaba, and Lagos Abeokuta road corridors in his office this 12th day of February 2024. In the meeting, which had in attendance the team of the PPP headed by Uguchima Nenaya Mrs. and the team of APPNL led by Mr. Dipo Lawore and Mr. K. V. Rao. There were discussions on the way forward for achieving a more effective operational model for the HDMI program and more efficient contractual relations between the federal government and concessionaires. The meeting, which dwelt on the review of the project parameters for the Benin, Asaba, and Lagos Abeokuta road corridors, as negotiated in 2022 by Mrs. Africa Plus Partners Nigeria Limited, APPNL, was necessitated by the heightened inflationary pressures, exchange rate concerns, reduced vehicular traffic on the highways occasioned by the increase in fuel pump price of premium motor spirit, PMS. Speaking on the need for quality delivery of road projects and efficiency in project negotiation, the Honorable Minister listed what he termed the renewed hope model of the Highway Development and Management Initiative HDMI, and said the parameters would be fine-tuned, agreed upon, and adopted in all contractual relations between the federal government and concessionaires going forward. He highlighted the parameters to include design of the project to be in line with the specification of the Federal Ministry of Works. An investor can only improve upon the design made by the ministry. A reasonable construction period must be agreed upon. There shall be no variation on the project. 100% of one carriageway must be completed before tolling by concessionaires. The business plan must be in line with the prevailing socioeconomic dynamics. Times of tolling of road projects must be in accordance with the laws of the Federation, and standard contract conditions must be followed. Contingency and variation of price (VOP) shall be utilized only by the express and written permission of the client. Bill of quantities shall be verified and adopted in line with the prevailing market prices. Road count on traffic shall be carried out by the investor, and where such data has been provided by the client, it is the duty of the investor to accept or verify, and where he does accept, it shall be binding on all parties. It shall be the duty of the investor to sensitize the public on the toll program in every project. The client shall have the right to terminate the job of the investor for failure to comply with the time of road project completion. Every road construction for highways must be in accordance with the highway standards prescribed by the laws of the Federation. In their separate responses, the team leader of the APPNL and the head of the PPP unit of the Federal Ministry of Works assured the Honorable Minister of their commitment to the innovative initiatives of the Federal Ministry of Works on road infrastructure, and thanked the Honorable Minister for pointing out that there was a dire need to review not only the cost of the concession project, but also the scope of the project to meet with the standard of road construction in accordance with the innovations introduced by the ministry under the renewed hope administration of President Bola, Ahmed, Tinubu, GCFR. They expressed their commitment towards a robust negotiation that will lead to a financial close so that work could commence without further delay. They promised to carry out further technical analysis on all the issues raised in the meeting and represent same to the Honorable Minister of Works for consideration. Signed by Honorable Barrister Oji Uchenna, Special Advisor to the Honorable Minister for